What's up, guys? Back at another video with the Supra, Nick Supra. Put his little Instagram on the screen. Wheels are currently off the fronts as of right now. As you can see, is the title of the video. H&R. Are these the Super Sport springs? Because there's a Super Sport and a regular. Super Sports are slightly hair lower.
No, these are the regular.
These are the regulars?
Yeah.
So, regular spring. These are only like 300?
300.
Yeah,
like 300.
300 bucks. That's what we're gonna be doing today. Should be a nice little drop, and then sneak peek for the next thing coming to the Supra. We got Rays. I have no idea what number or model they're called.
They're
Graham lights, and the limited edition.
The Graham lights 57 Transcend, and they're called the Unlimiteds. It's on one of these spokes.
I think this spoke has a.
Yeah, it's hard to see. I don't even know if the camera is picking it up, but it's engraved into the spoke. It says Rays, and then the original finish is there's a yellow lip, but we're getting them repowder coated. Has a
little rash here,
tiny bit of rash,
but
that's gonna
good
get fixed.
meat on the tires. Picked them up from a dude in Jersey for steel, pretty much.
Yeah, these are like really good wheels for Rays, so excited to have a nice set of these.
Definitely. So try to document as much as I can of it, trying to figure it out. Hardest part is really just getting the strut out, and then after that pop the spring in. We got this strut spring compressor, so we could squeeze the spring, the OEM one, down and not kill ourselves. I think it usually tries to pop out because it has some prelude, and then pop the old one, the new one in. And that's it. We got a before and after picture, and that's it. So enjoy the video.
Okay, go up. Okay, go up. Go up.
You ever used that before?
No. I had a strut machine.
Alright, job's done. Put it back like that, that's nice.
We're gonna get the spring now.
The hockey pucks.
This one? Yeah, hockey pucks.
It's marked. It says F on there. VA. F is the fronts.
Yeah, the fronts, this way it's gonna go this way, okay.
What's that?
It's in the thing. Now we gotta put it in this thing.
Does it spin in?
What?
Like the bottom? Does it have like the...
Yeah, it's in the thing. So
Oh, it is at the end?
Here, there's a stop.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And then this goes here. Like this, and then you gotta get this stop. So here it goes.
Like, oh.
Okay, go up. Yep. Okay, go up. See.
You got the jacket?
I don't know if I gotta beat that bottom piece.